guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, you're going to see this video after my live stream. I did a live stream. I was making breakfast. Guys, I received a package. And I believe it's one from my sweet friends. I don't want to say her name because it's not in the mail tag, but if it's from her, I will actually thank her. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you this sign because this side is the the personal information. And my address is on every video for friend mail, but her address, I believe, from wherever she sent it is here, and I don't want to dispose that there. So let's open this and let's see what I got. I don't know if it's her. I do have a funny feeling it's her, but like I said, there's no name on the package. So, but it comes from, where's it come from? Hold on, I'll tell you where's it come from. Well, if I could get to it, but anyways. Well, this time the box came in very good condition. The last one didn't. So there is no card. There is no card. There is nothing on the inside, but the package comes from Costa Mesa, California. Yeah, Costa Mesa, California. So I don't know what it is, but we'll find out. Oh my gosh. They are beautiful. They are cushion covers. And you guys know that I have my 4 little pillows for my couch. But these are beautiful velvet covers. And I think it is you, Kathleen, because you sent me a message saying that you never used them. And look at this, guys. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous color. They are velvet, white velvet colors. And yes, I will have use for these. Oh, yes, I will. She sent me 2 of this color. And she sent me 2 in this gorgeous hunter green. So thank you so much. They will be used. Oh, yes. And I'm going to say they're not only going to be used for the holidays, because this I'm going to be using for, oh, what is the holiday? It's in March. It's in March. Oh, Lord. You know which holiday I'm talking about. With the green. Yeah. This. And this I could just use with my current any given time. I thank you. I appreciate them and I love them. And they will be well loved and used. Yes. So guys, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. Guys, when somebody sends you something, be appreciate. I appreciate what people send me and I love it. And you guys will be see this in my home decor.